Hello children, today we are going to discuss about the cell. The body of all living things is made up of very small microscopic unit called cell. So cell is the structural and functional unit of life. It was Robert Hooke who first discovered and named cell. Cells differ greatly in their shape, size, and number. However, the basic structure of a cell remains same. The prime components of a cell are cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm, and cell organelles. Cell membrane. It forms an outer boundary of the cell. It allows only certain substances to enter and move out of the cell. It is known as plasma membrane in plant cells. Cell wall. Only plant and bacterial cell possess cell wall. It is an outermost protective layer of cell. It is a non-living structure. The cell wall is made up of cellulose. It gives shape and rigidity to the cell. Nucleus. It is a small spherical mass present in the center of the cytoplasm. It has a surrounding membrane called nuclear membrane. It contains certain thread-like structures called chromatin fibers. During cell division, these fibers become thick and are called chromosomes. Cytoplasm. It is a semi-liquid substance of a cell which is enclosed by cell membrane. With the help of electron microscope, it was observed that many tiny structures are found in cytoplasm. These are called cell organelles. The main cell organelles present in the cytoplasm are endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, Golgi bodies, lysosomes, centrosomes, plastids, and vacuoles. Now we will see function of each cell organelles one by one. Endoplasmic reticulum. It serves as a pathway for the distribution of materials within a cell and between two cells. It also provides internal support to the cell. Mitochondria. They help in cellular respiration. They oxidize food by utilizing oxygen and release energy in the form of adenosine triphosphate (ATP). Thus, they are also known as powerhouses of the cell. Function of Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies help in secretion of certain hormones, enzymes, etc. They help in the formation of cell wall in plant cells. They are also involved in the transport of substances within the cell. Functions of lysosomes. They help in the digestion of food within the cell. They protect the body from bacteria and other foreign bodies. Functions of centrosome. It initiates and regulates cell division in animal cells. Function of plastids. There are three types of plastids: chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast. Chloroplast contain green-colored pigment called chlorophyll. They are also known as kitchen of the cell, as they trap the solar energy of the sun and convert it into chemical energy of food for the plants during photosynthesis. Chromoplast contain colored pigment except green. They are found in the fruit and petals of flowers. Leucoplast lack any pigment. They help in storing food. Function of vacuoles. They help in storage of food, water, and other substances. They also help in maintaining the shape of cell by making it rigid. Thanks for watching. Hope you have enjoyed it.